my channel. So today we are going to be cooking. Oh, we have 2 lobster tails. They're small, and we have some shrimp right here, and we're going to cook some curry shrimp with lobster tail. I'm super excited because this is one of my favorite dishes. It's Sunday, it's a little bit late, but this is dinner today, okay? The shrimp looks so good. I'm going to show it to you guys. We're going to get into this curry shrimp. You can try it my way, absolutely nice my way. You can do it your way, you can add, take away, whatever you want to do. But before we get into this video, I want you guys to make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you leave a comment, you know, give us a thumbs up also. Tell me what you think. If you try the recipe, you can also tell me. You know, I'm not the first, or I'm not the only one who has done, you know, curry shrimp with a lobster tail like this, but you know, lobster tail. Green bell pepper, thyme. We have a scotch bonnet pepper right there to cut up the brown and the green. We're going to put it in the pot. We got broccolis and some green onion, scallion, and we have garlic. These are the 2 most important stuff to me, the garlic and the onion for the curry shrimp. We're going to cut this up and then we're going to get the ball rolling.
10:30 no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
Alright guys, so we're gonna add, I did add some avocado oil in the pot already. We don't need no more than that. I'm gonna add the garlic first, and this is my preference. I do the garlic and then I do the onion because It smells so good like that. You guys can do it your way. This is my way. I would love if you try it my way, but I absolutely love my way. Just the smell makes you think that you're doing something good, and it's just cooking. All right, so this is it. You can add the onion before the garlic, just so the garlic don't burn, but in this case you can now separate the onion. The next thing that I'm gonna add is the curry, because we're gonna burn the curry. This is some Jamaican curry, but I just have it in this container. So we're just gonna let the curry burn. And then this is what we're gonna do next. I'm gonna add some Grace coconut milk and ketchup. Yes, ketchup, guys, in a cup with some water, because this is what we're gonna use to cook down the coconut shrimp. And yes, I do add a little ketchup in my curry. It tastes really good. You guys should try it. This is not the first time I'm doing it, so yeah. So in the meantime, let's do this, and then I'll come back. Daddy, please do not for me. This is the coconut milk. We're gonna add water. This is it. What you want from me. We're gonna add some salt, sea salt, because you know that when I want our belly run, curry and I'm gonna add the ketchup to it right now. Oops. See, I add too much ketchup. I'm gonna add a little more water. So guys, now I'm gonna add the broccoli. And the carrots. I'm just gonna add the green pepper right now. And then we're just gonna let this cook for a couple minutes, and then all right guys, so the broccoli and the carrot is finished. I'm gonna add the bell peppers, and then we're gonna add the shrimp. Let's add the shrimp now. The water is almost, you know, dried out, but the shrimp will spring more water, so we will be perfectly fine. This is the shrimp. We're gonna add it. And the lobster, add some lobster, just 2 lobster tails in it. Add pepper and the thyme. We're gonna cover this and let it spring its own water. Oh, I'm gonna add some Grace fish and meat season. Love this. Guys, we have the rice here. Ooh, Rice cooker go on with itself, you know. The rice is almost done. There we go. I'm gonna leave it. We don't want the steam to come out. Alright guys, oh my god, my shrimp is smelling delicious. Don't pay me no mind. This is me. You see how much water it springs? Like I told you guys, you don't need none of that water, okay? Because the shrimp is gonna spring water. And this is almost done because shrimp don't take no time to cook. Look at that, get into that. I'm gonna add some black pepper to this, and then we add the green onions, and we good, we good.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Alright guys, so this is it. I am done cooking. And guess what? It is delicious and nutritious for nutritious. That's how it go. Oh. So this is our curry shrimp. It's done. We can turn the stove off and then we can share dinner. It's time to eat dinner, guys. Alright guys, this is the final look, and this is dinner. Curry shrimp with coconut milk and some white rice. It looks delicious. It is delicious. If you guys like this recipe, make sure you like, leave a comment, and you guys can also try it. So this is my dinner and I'm gonna eat right now. Until next time, bye.